YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And on the previous video from the Tekton website, we went over the wrenches, whether that be their standard combination wrenches, flex head wrenches, ratcheting wrenches, USA made angle wrenches. I mean, there's a lot of wrenches, but today we're going to be going into some of their screwdrivers, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. These new screwdrivers are made in the USA. They have re-engineered and redesigned their screwdrivers, and I am very happy with two different designs that I have, so I want to share them with you. Also, keep in mind that when you buy through the Tekton website, if you create an account, which is free, you get free shipping on everything. You get 10% back in rewards, so if you buy $100, you get $10 off your next purchase, and one of the best warranties on the market. So keep that in mind. I think it's the easiest place to find what you need from Tekton. It's a very user-friendly website, so let's just dive right into this. Here are their newest screwdrivers. These are the hard-handled screwdrivers, and right now they have them in red. And I believe they said they're going to be releasing a black handle version as well, but don't quote me on that. As you can see, a very large selection here, and very affordable, just like any other Tekton tool that you find. Very affordable for what you're getting. So here they have a lot of different selections. Here they have the new red hard handle, and you can get the chrome plated shaft, or you can get the black as well, which is a black oxide. Each have their own use depending on what you do. So we'll just go ahead and select this set so you can get a closer look. And here over on the right, you can kind of select whether you want that 8-piece set or maybe you're looking for something different. You can switch from here as well. Here's kind of a close-up look. I've also done a personal review on these screwdrivers as well, so if you guys haven't checked that out, go ahead and check it out. Really nice design. Once again, made in the USA. So if that's what you're looking for, if that's what you're interested in, they are made in the USA. These do have a black oxide tip, and they're not painted. They're black oxide to prevent chipping, so it doesn't affect the shape or size of your Phillips head. The flatheads are still chrome plated, but you don't run into the issue that you would run into if these were chrome and chipped. So that's why these have a black oxide tip. This set runs 40. The black oxide is 32, and the reason being is black oxide is more vulnerable to rust. So if you just keep a light coat of machine oil on the shaft, works just fine. I've had mine for a while now, and I haven't had any rust issues as well or either, so that's good. So that's why the chrome plating is a little bit more. Obviously the Phillips tips on the chrome ones are still black oxide, to prevent that chipping like I stated, but the chrome plating is a little bit more to protect the shaft of the screwdriver. Still both really good sets, really well priced, and a lot of information once again is given on every single tool on the website. So here you can see what is included in this 8-piece set. They are highlighted, virtually indestructible. Here you can kind of see the things they're resistant to. It's a classic handle design, which I know a lot of people love this handle design. They've had screwdrivers similar in the past with that handle design, and they really love them. So when you find a USA made product like this with a handle design that you love, why not, especially for that great price? So just some information. 3 blade lengths, materials and construction, how the screwdrivers are actually molded, and the specs and sizes of everything, and then everything that's included in this kit. Now we'll take a look at the chrome finish with this handle design. You can kind of see some different information given with the chrome plating. And they also have, we'll just go back to this real quick. So they have all these different sets, chrome blades, all the different sets with chrome blades. Then they have all the different sets with the black oxide shafts. And then they sell individuals as well. And the organizer for the screwdrivers. That was the new hard handle design. This is their new, but not as new, design for the screwdrivers as well. I also have a tri-lobe set from Tekton as well. Absolutely love this handle design. When I first saw it, I thought it was really weird and didn't think it would be very good, but once I actually got my hand on the screwdriver, it's by far my favorite handle design when it comes to screwdrivers. Very comfortable. You can apply a lot of force. And they do have the hex as well and torques, so that's very nice. All different sizes and sets. Once again, they sell them in individuals as well. And the organizer. Now, from what I've gathered, they do plan on making a chrome bladed set with these handles as well, so that could be a future purchase if you're more interested in the chrome blades. Let's just go ahead and take a look at this set. Very affordable. Once again, $32 for this 8-piece set. Very nice screwdriver set. Very nice handle design. Very comfortable. Some information. Here's what these ones are resistant to. This is very important. You don't want your screwdriver rolling away. And these are also, just like the last design that I showed you, these are also made in the USA, like it states right here. Then moving on, they do have 6-in-1 drivers. I have also done a review on these as well. They had just black handles previously, and now they have released the red handled version as well. All of mine are the black handled version, and the differences in these are all the tips included with the screwdriver, or the driver I should say. But it's got that classic new handle design in red or black, made in the USA. But one thing I do want to show you, obviously that's what it's resistant to, a cutaway of the driver itself, the different available tips and everything, bit tube, 1/4 inch and 5/16. And here you will see nut driver, bit tube, receiver, and bits made in Taiwan. Handle made in the USA. They're not hiding anything. They want you to know that the handle itself is made in the USA. The bit tube and bits are made in Taiwan. Not a big deal. I've had really good luck with mine. I have nothing negative to say about it. So I think a very affordable 6-in-1 as well. And here you can have your color options. Moving on, they do have nut drivers as well with that tri-lobe design made in the USA. So, same handle design as the other screwdrivers with the tri-lobe, just these are black and gray instead of black and red, or these might be just black. It all depends on, like the torques and hex are a different color, and then these are a black and gray, so you can identify what you're picking up easily. They have bit sets, and they have a selection where you can look at all of their sets. So all around, a lot of different options for screwdrivers, impact screwdrivers, hex, torques, Allen, or nut drivers, USA made, Taiwan made. It all just depends on what you're looking for. But as far as their USA made products, very, very affordable, very reasonable, and very good quality. So always keep that in mind. But I think Tekton is a really good website to find really affordable tools at a really good quality. So please let me know your guys' thoughts, what you think of Tekton if you've purchased any of their tools lately. Let me know your thoughts. Or if you're thinking about purchasing them, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below. Other than that, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.